Hey guys, today I'm diving into Fresha, the only subscription-free booking software making waves in 2025. Let's find out if it really delivers for salons and spas. Fresha offers free scheduling, payments, and client management with no monthly fees. You get unlimited bookings, unlimited staff, and even email or SMS reminders, all included. It's praised for its intuitive interface, easy for both staff and clients to use. Reviews says it's made tracking clients and setting appointments very easy, with a polished, modern feel compared to clunkier alternatives. You can process in-person payments and gift cards directly in-app. There are small transaction fees but no added subscription cost. Plus, tipping and checkout flow are smooth and integrated. Fresha includes basic marketing tools such as email campaigns, loyalty tracking, and automated client reminders. You can even manage online presence with Google and Facebook booking integration. If new clients book via Fresha Marketplace, you pay a 20% commission, which can add up. And while core features are free, add-ons like enhanced reporting or payroll tools start at $9.95 per user per month. So user review rate Fresha 4.8 out of 5 for ease of use and value for money. One salon owner said the best app for beauty and salons, while a few mentioned fees and support take time to resolve. The pros of Fresha is it is truly free to start, user-friendly, built-in payments, and good client tools, while the cons are marketplace commissions can be high. Add-ons cost extra, ports sometimes slow. So, is Fresha the best booking software in 2025? Yes, if you're a solo stylist or small salon wanting a sleek, no-cost system. But if you're scaling fast or want zero commissions on all bookings, you may need paid features or alternatives. That's your full Fresha review. Simple, powerful, and largely free.